Okay, so we're going to work on Leia now, and the steps are going to be similar to what we did for Darth Vader, but I am going to walk you through them one at a time. The very first thing we want to do is we want to make sure we have all of the materials that we need. So we need, on the first page of your packet, are the patterns or the templates for Leia. They're on the right-hand side. You have her bun, the back of her bun, like the back of her head, the front of her bun and head, her face. Then you have the template for the dress, and then you have the template for her gun, for her weapon, her laser gun. And you're going to notice how many you're going to cut of each. That's pretty important. So you're going to cut one of the front of her bun out of dark brown. You're going to cut one of the back out of dark brown. You're going to cut one of a light cream or beige color. It's this one, just a very pale one. For her face, you're going to cut two of the white for her skirt and one of the tiny black rectangle for her gun. So we're going to first cut out the pattern, and then we're going to pin these to each of the various pieces of felt and trace them and cut them out. So that's kind of where we're going with this. But first you need the pattern. I would also make sure that you have a marking pencil. I have both a light and a darker one because I chose a little bit of a darker one to trace on the white felt so that it shows up. White pencil, of course, will not show up. You want to make sure you have a nice pair of scissors to work with. You're going to want to make sure you have the felt that is necessary. So that's 2 squares of white, 1 smaller square of cream, your square of brown, and your small scrap of black, I think should be all you need. As far as felt, then you need your needle and your pin. So let me grab my pin. The pin is the one that does not have the eye in it. As far as the thread that you're going to need either black or dark brown. I don't think I have dark brown, so I'm putting black in your kit. And I'm going to show you how to divide it, because you're going to divide it and use half of it for Darth Vader, and you're going to use the other half for Princess Leia. Okay, because each strand actually has 6 strands, and I'm going to show you how to work that in a little bit. You will need your white floss for the skirt, and you will need like the beige. You can either use beige, like the light brown, or you could use, if you have enough white left over from the skirt, you can also use that for the face. So either way is fine, whatever you have and whatever color you like best. All right, so the very first thing we're going to do, and I'm going to turn off the camera, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out the templates.